Okay, so I'm going to take you on a tour of my cabin on the Norwegian Gem, cabin 8517. So let's go ahead and go inside. All right, so welcome to my little slice of paradise over the last few days. So you have seen bits and pieces of this already, but this is going to be the official room tour now. So we will start here at the front. So right after you come in the door, you have some shelves with your safe, and of course the closet, which is what everybody's excited about on a cruise. It's a fairly large closet, plenty for 2, maybe even 3 people, although this room only sleeps 2. We do have here a minibar, which this is the first time I've opened it. So there's that, another shelves, a couple of drawers, so decent sized. Come over here, we got a little vanity area. Oh, now, and before I forget, back here in this we have a European plug there. And then this is our vanity area. We've got our hair dryer. We've got another plug down there that I've got an outlet extender plugged into. I know this area is a mess. This has kind of been my junk collection of everything area. And then that table is normally back there, but I need to move it closer for the plug. We have our little TV stand area with a shelf up there, TV. And possibly one of the most useless plugs I've seen in a cruise ship stateroom, down there underneath the TV with nothing underneath it. Now this table does pull out, but I don't think it'll fit in that corner with the bed here. So it's not really all that useful for anything other than I just stuck my laptop underneath it. So over here we've got our phone and our little lights with a button here to turn them on. There are no USBs anywhere in this cabin, which is surprising because it was refurbished not that long ago. But I have been unable to locate a single USB in this cabin. As a matter of fact, I have only found the 3 plugs. So the one in the cabinet, the one in the vanity, and under the TV, those are the only 3 outlets that I have been able to find. So definitely bring your outlet extenders and other things if you are sailing in a inside stateroom. Or an ocean view. You're going to see Mom's here in another video, but that was definitely a struggle for me. It would have been significantly worse if I didn't have all of my extenders and adapters and everything. So that was very useful. Here we have our thermostat, a couple of hooks, just part of the cabin, not magnet hooks that I put up. And then coming into our bathroom. So you can see it is decently spacious for a cruise ship bathroom. So again, I have been living in this, so I've been unpacked and everything, but got my toiletry bag there, but plenty of shelving space for 1 or 2 people. Now, this one is missing the glass. That's just a useless shelf there, but there's still 2 shelves. We got our sink, nice size mirror, and the shower. So decent sized shower. Got your wand faucet head, you've got your clothesline, and my favorite, glass doors. and some included body wash and shampoo and conditioner. So it's fairly standard for a inside cruise ship bathroom. It gets the job done, and I'm a fairly fluffy cruiser, so I haven't had any problems in the showers or the bathroom or anything, so it definitely gets the job done. So thank you for joining me in my tour of the Norwegian Gem cabin 8517.